crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself. And it's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, so come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning.
Pass again here?
So we get to Lake Tahoe and it's raining and then it's snowing. So
We knew it was cold, but I didn't think. I don't know what I was thinking.
yeah,
I didn't know enough about Lake Tahoe. I didn't know it was at 6,000 feet. That's just our fault.
So we don't know where we're gonna go now. We're just gonna keep going and see where we end up.
Well, we would have stayed at that place, but it was $60.
Yeah, it was like 59 something a
I
night.
didn't even know if we could use the women's shower.
So that's not gonna work. Oh my gosh, look at the snow over here. We're gonna head to Reno, get some Whole Foods pizza and some groceries, fill up our fridge, and then
Stay at Cabela's.
stay at the Cabela's. Somebody's gonna see your stuff.
I just wanna be your Superman.
There's no more. The friends are gone.
Fly with me, just take my hand. And now that we are cruising in mid-flight, you better watch out for the kryptonite. So come on over, we can make it through, make it through. Take my hand.
So we stayed at the Cabela's outside of Reno last night, just an overnight. They have no parking or no overnight parking.
And we went inside in Cabela's.
Apparently this parking lot is shared with the KOA and some hotel.
And they were both mad that they were allowing people to park here for free and had a dump station and water and stuff. So they made them put these signs up. I don't know what it is. But anyway, you're allowed to stay here.
So this guy ran the open frame generator past 10 o'clock.
Probably close to midnight before I heard it shut off. From
His
Cabela's.
generator was so loud that we went ahead and just turned our generator on so we could have enough power to do bagels in the
But you
morning.
couldn't even hear ours
But you-
because his, it drowned it out.
Yeah, you couldn't hear ours because his was so loud.
Well, we have an EU 2000, so it's...
Goodbye.
All right, so that was our night. So now we're on to Standish RV Park.
No? I don't
It's
think
in Standish.
I know, but it's called
Like end of-
Days in
End of Days.
or-
End of, we'll tell
What
you
is it, some
later.
kind of a zombie apocalypse?
Hopefully not. But we're gonna find the RV park. Wow. So we're gonna go to the RV park and refresh and get cleaned up. Maybe do some laundry and let these crazies run around. See you later.
I think it's the best. Let's run!
No, you don't have to run.
I don't like chickens. Oh, I love chickens.
No, you don't. As soon as he got close, you said, I don't like chickens.
I like.
You like them when they're far away?
Let's go inside.
Whoa, we're going back there.
In 3.3 miles.
Thanks to the guy that came up here on Compendium in his pickup truck and did not say that no trailers should come up here. but we're going to go on there immediately and put a review so that nobody else goes through what we do, because there is no turnaround point. Actually, there was one turnaround point, but it was all muddy.
You'd have a small trailer though.
Yeah, there was only one turnaround point, but it was, you had to have a super small trailer, or you had to go truck through the mud, and it didn't seem, we thought we would get stuck.
Trying to get us out of here without flipping the trailer over or blowing a tire out or something.
So we decided we're going to go to the California coast. So pray for us, because we don't know what we're going to run into, but we know we'll be safe. And if we have to stop, we'll stop. But coast or bust.